Hello and welcome back to Wellness First. Medical boxes are one of those essential things that need a nice build and is compact in design for easy portability. So we went with a Milton medical box. Now let's have the first look. The lid is see-through. It comes with a nice red handle. It has a partition tray inside which segregates the space. Now let's talk about the performance. It is easy to keep your medicines organized since we have lots of sections here. The Milton medical box is made from highly durable material which facilitates long-term use. With its compact design, you can fit a large number of medicines while keeping it organized for regular use. Also armed with an ergonomic handle, the Milton First Aid medical box is perfect for portable use, so you can take it anywhere. Now, if you ask me the reason why to buy it, it is made from high quality and durable plastic. This medical box features a see-through lid for easy accessibility. Furthermore, the partitioned tray makes it easy to segregate your medicines based on use and type. If you are looking for something for good build and is long-lasting, you should buy Milton medical box. That's it for today, guys. See you again with more product recommendations. Bye.